is one smaller C channel machine, or we can call C Purlin machine. It's finished, and the machine was driven by chain, and we can see this is double chain. Here's the line, and we use 45-degree hydraulic stop cutting. And it's combined the 16 rolling stations and with online punching. Here we will mount the one set of the punching. This is import table, feeding table, and then leveling unit, again feeding, punching, forming. Turkish head can adjust the C channel after forming. Turkish head, hydraulic stop cutting. This is completely line. Turkish head. The power is 18.5 kW. We have a lot of side roller, vertical roller, forming roller. And we have two sets. One set is here, another set is here. Only the size a little bit different. The machine configuration was totally same. Even here we will mount the punching. Here is the punching die. It will be mounted on the machine. Two sets. C channel, C Purlin machine.